Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a quick little look. I wanted to film a quick little look this morning using the Sugar Rush BU palette. They are a sister company to Tarte, so I keep wanting to call it Tarte, but it's not Tarte, it's Sugar Rush. So let me open the little lid. How stinking cute is this little palette? Fingers are in the way. Yeah, super pretty. I like the little bees. I think they're cool. Cool little feature to put on there. Anyways, yeah, so this is what I did using the palette. And yeah, I'm super tired, but I'm getting ready to head to work, so I'm gonna see if I can get this edited and uploaded before 10 o'clock tonight, because that happened the other night. But yeah, so just keep watching to see how I created this look. Oh, and by the way, my lower lash line, what shade is that? I used, I think it's Be Sweet, which is this guy right here, but I didn't film it because I forgot to hit record, so yeah, that's what's there. Yeah, keep watching. Alrighty, so this is what I did. Like, how pretty is that? I did throw on some lashes by Lily Lashes and did my eyebrows, put some earrings in. But yeah, pretty sure that was out of frame that whole time. Giving away the illusion today, guys. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna keep this short so I can get out of here, get to work, and get this day going. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.